Hi, so thank you for contacting us to know more about our parenting coaching program. I can tell you it's a great experience. So, before being a parenting coach, I had about 18 to 20 years of corporate experience. But life for the last 8 years has been very fulfilling. The kind of difference we see being made with parents and children in their life, it can't be more satisfying. So, great that you've chosen this kind of a career and I want to have a dialogue on that. I'll tell you, this will be a space where one, you will alter yourself, and second, the kind of things you are dealing with or the kind of things which will be available for your children will alter forever. This will be a long term program in which, first part, you will be learning about parenting and learning about the Parvarish child development model and implementing that stuff with your own children. Then we will take you to the journey where you start doing it with other parents in your city, in your area, and spreading this word around. Parvarish is all about creating a no limit world and a no limit child. And this is what our programs have done till now. And it will be great to partner with you. So feel free to contact us and to know more about this program. We would really want to partner with you to ensure that we have more and more people talking about this and every person having the joy and fulfillment of being a parent. That whole experience of parenting, which, if I ask you, when you first held your newborn in your arms, the kind of fulfillment and the kind of satisfaction and happiness you got there, how can that be available for each and every parent forever? And every child in this world experiencing their no limitness and they're seeing what they're really capable of. And that's what a parent child relationship can do. Thank you for looking at this and looking forward to seeing you again to see how both of us can work together and take it forward to you. Thank you.